Hi, I am Rafael Delangin, a fourth-year computer science student.
Hello, I'm Abby Dubuze, and I am a fourth-year computer science student at Malayan Colleges Mindanao. So before entering college, I really wanted to take a software developer path.
Nung nagsimula pa ako dito ng first year, wala po talagang alam sa pag-code or pag-program.
MMCM has helped me inside my program in such a way that they have provided with really good teachers. I am growing as a student under the CCIS department in a way that I was able to truly understand what computer science is all about.
MCM gave me the platform, freedom, and opportunity to explore and express myself. We were given the freedom to choose to develop anything we want. This gave us the avenue to turn our ideas into a reality, which is very big for us, and it made learning as fun as it can be.
What my group mates and I did for the Arduino exercise would be creating like this robot wherein if ever they feel presence near you, they would come near you.
My favorite experience would be leading the CCIS department. To expound, I have been the president of this department for 4 years now. I feel great satisfaction and fulfillment in knowing that mayroon akong naiwan na marka and I was able to leave a legacy for the next generation of Malayans.
So my most memorable CCIS experience would be eating dinner with my CCIS classmates or my barkada. So like having dinner with my barkada, shout out BTC. It really made me relieved because I get to talk to them, I get to know them more, and we talk about, you know, CCIS things or even things outside the CCIS department.
The initial learning curve is tough, but trust me, it is very worth it.
Malayan Colleges Mindanao.
College of Computer and Information Science.
Building professionals.